Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 welding helmets on AliExpress, known for their outstanding quality. I've carefully selected these helmets based on factors like performance, popularity, durability, affordability, and user reviews. For more details, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with all our future reviews. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Welding Mask 111 Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Looking for a reliable welding helmet? Meet the Safe Up Welding Mask, designed to keep you safe while ensuring precision. This helmet features a large viewing area of 100 by 97 millimeters with true color technology for crystal clear visibility. With 4 advanced arc sensors and auto-darkening capabilities, it adjusts from light to dark in just 1/25,000 seconds. The solar-powered unit, backed by a CR250 lithium battery, ensures efficiency and durability. Perfect for MIG, MAG, and MMA welding, it includes adjustable sensitivity and delay controls, plus a self-test function for safety. Certified by CE, this lightweight PP helmet operates flawlessly in temperatures from -5 degrees to 55 degrees. Whether you're a professional or DIY welder, this is the tool you need. Check it out. Number 2. Arc Captain Welding Helmet. Today we're reviewing the Arc Captain Welding Helmet, an auto-darkening mask designed for TIG, MIG, and arc welding enthusiasts. This helmet features a large viewing screen of 3.93 by 3.66 inches, giving you a clear and wide workspace view. Equipped with 4 arc sensors and true color technology, it ensures accurate optical clarity with a 1:1:2 lens rating. Powered by solar cells, it switches seamlessly in just 1/25,000 seconds, protecting your eyes from sudden flashes. This lightweight helmet prioritizes safety and comfort, is made from durable PP material, and is CE certified. The Arc Captain Welding Helmet combines performance and reliability, perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. Check it out today. Number 3. Solar Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Looking for a welding helmet that offers precision, safety, and comfort? Meet the Big View Area Solar Auto-Darkening Welding Mask. Equipped with 4 arc sensors and a true color lens, this helmet ensures seamless protection with auto-darkening from DIN 5 to DIN 13 in just 1/10,000 of a second. With a wide 100 by 93 millimeter viewing area, you'll experience unmatched visibility during any welding task. Its solar and Li battery-powered system ensures long-lasting performance, while the stepless sensitivity control lets you adjust to various working conditions effortlessly. Built with durable PP material, this helmet is lightweight yet robust. Certified with CE, it's designed for both professionals and hobbyists. Upgrade your welding game today. Number 4. ANDELI Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Let's talk about the ANDELI Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet, a top-notch choice for welders. This helmet features a large viewing area of 3.94 by 3.74 inches, offering clear visibility with true color technology. With an optical class rating of 1:1:2, it ensures exceptional clarity and minimal distortion. Equipped with 4 arc sensors, it provides a fast switch time of 1/25,000 seconds, seamlessly transitioning to auto-darkening mode. Whether you're welding, cutting, or grinding, this helmet's PP material ensures durability and comfort. Powered by solar energy and a battery, it's eco-friendly and reliable. CE certified, this helmet guarantees safety and performance. Don't compromise. Choose ANDELI for your welding needs. Number 5. 1112 Welding Helmet. Are you a professional welder or hobbyist? The Jalu Q109 Solar Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet is your ideal partner. With true color optics and a wide 100 by 97 millimeters viewing area, it offers a crystal clear view of your work. Featuring 4 arc sensors, it ensures precise auto-darkening in just 1/30,000 seconds, protecting your eyes from harmful UV/IR rays. The helmet's solar-powered design with a replaceable CR2450 battery ensures long-lasting performance. Its lightweight PP material and adjustable settings, including variable light-to-dark shades, DN459913, provide unmatched comfort and flexibility for TIG, MIG, and MMA welding. CE certified for safety, this helmet is a reliable tool for welders of all levels. Upgrade your welding experience with Jalu's innovative craftsmanship today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.